A crocodile cannot stick its tongue out. Hot water will turn into ice faster than cold water. Google has 3.8 million searches every minute and it is growing. The largest book in the world weighs about 3,000 pounds. Meet the bumblebee bat, the smallest bat on planet Earth. The largest plane of the world is 2 times larger than a football field. Caterpillars turn into soup before becoming butterflies. Male wolves are most caring towards their female partners. The only thing that can separate them is death. This is a giant statue of Jesus in Poland that distributes Wi-Fi to nearby towns. Help me reach 1,000 subscribers. A restaurant in Bangkok is cooking and serving the same soup from last 45 years. Hippos produce original moisture for skin and sunblock. Sleep immediately after studying. You will remember everything that you have studied. Mercury train in Chicago, 1936. The national flag with the most color in it is Belize with 12. Running for 30 to 40 minutes for 5 days a week reduces cellular aging by 9 years. If you had a 2-foot thick fat on your body, it could stop a 9 mm bullet from reaching your internal organs. The Rainbow Mountain or Vinicunca Mountain is a mountain near Cusco in Peru. This is one of the mysterious fossilized humanoid skull found in Africa in 2010. Vladimir Putin is the most richest person on earth. It's because he's a politician, so he's not considered. X-ray of a pregnant turtle. The world's largest coin pyramid made up of 1 million coins made by European physics students. Russia is twice the size of US and it has 2 different time zones. The first fiberglass body at Porsche weighed just 100 kilograms. This is how a steam locomotive looks after explosion. Eiffel Tower designer Gustave Eiffel included a secret apartment for himself near the top. Eurotomia, a condition in which the lady is confident that she is beautiful and the other person is in love with her. Pope Francis was gifted an anime robe when he visited Japan last year and wore it. Before and after burn victim gets amazing facial reconstruction. The British royal family has an estimated net worth of $88 billion. Saudi Arabia's royal family has an estimated net worth of $1.4 trillion. This is what happens when you increase the contrast on a dollar bill. Prince had a bank vault that held enough unreleased music to put out an album every year for the next century. A Japanese company invented a robot that sits on your back and feeds you tomatoes while you run. Japanese researchers have successfully developed a device that will be able to play back your dreams in video sequence. Thanks for watching.